Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Kia Forte and the battery's dead, so we can't get into the car. Whether your battery is dead on your key fob itself or battery's dead in the car, and you go to hit the unlock button and it won't unlock, so now you can't get in. But see, you can't visually see the key hole, and this is the key fob, the button. Now you can go like this, you unlock, you've got the key popping out, but again you don't see the keyhole. So what you have a little indent right down here in the bottom. If you look in there, there's a little thing, and then what you can do is you just push up in there as you kind of pull the handle out a little bit, and you can pop this cover off. And now we have the keyhole. Put the key in, turn it to unlock, turn to the back to unlock, turn that way to lock. But now we can open the door, and that is how you unlock your door manually on your 2019 Kia Forte. And now you can pop the hood, change the battery if battery needs to be changed, or if you just need to change this battery, of course you just go change this battery to unlock it. But if your car battery is dead, you're going to need to know how to manually get into that. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.